We just deliver it.
Mommy, you did not tell me you were coming. Why are you here now?
Tiana.
Brother, good afternoon.
What happened to your face?
Nothing. I'm okay.
Tiana.
Brother.
Now you guys have touched you again,
No,
Abi?
he did not touch me. No, he did not touch me. No.
He has touched you again.
No, he did not. No, he did not touch me. Brother, wait, let me, mommy.
Mama, hold it for me.
Mommy, don't.
Wait now.
We can talk.
Mama, stop holding me.
She said it. She said it didn't touch me.
No.
This is not obvious. Look at her face now. Look at my sister's face now. Look at my sister's face now.
Wait, calm down.
Mommy,
And hear from my
please.
face.
Tiana, leave my way.
No, brother, let me talk now.
Leave my way.
Brother, let me talk. Wait, let me talk.
Let me go and do unto him what he has decided to do unto others.
No.
Most especially to my sister.
He did not touch me. Brother, wait, now, let me talk. He did not touch me. I was the one that hit my face on the wall. The thing is that NEPA took like yesterday night, so I wanted to go and pick my phone from where I was charging it, and I hit my face mistakenly on the wall, and that was it. It did not touch me. I swear to God.
So that is the excuse you have decided to compose for me.
I'm not giving you an excuse.
If that is the truth, why did you hide it away from me immediately you saw us?
I did not hide it.
Why are you sad? What is wrong with you?
So it's you, Abi.
Hey,
I'm not harm me now.
My in-law. Good afternoon.
You.
Mama, you come in now.
I saw what you did there.
What?
Yes, I saw it. See.
No, it was she.
I hit my face on the wall.
Oh yes, on the wall. She.
I hit my face on the wall.
How did these excuses joined? It was she fell. Now he hit her face because.
Why did you?
Calm down.
My in-law. You're welcome. I didn't know you were coming now. Come inside. Let's have a drink. It's not what you think of. Abba, we are living in peace.
Yes.
Mama, we are welcome.
No problem.
My in-law. Mama, you're welcome home.
This is the same thing again.
Yes. The same thing again. I'm tired. Mommy, I can't continue living with this man. I'm tired.
Don't say that. Don't say that. Do you want to be a single woman afresh? Mommy! What is mommy? Do you know how many single ladies are there because they left their matrimonial home? You want to leave your matrimonial home?
Mommy, see, mommy, look at my face.
See, no marriage is perfect. No marriage is perfect. Everything is patience. You just have to be patient.
You know I'm patient. You know I don't look for this man's trouble, eh?
You won't just leave. Don't worry.
I want to leave now, mommy. Please now, mommy.
Calm down.
Please.
Calm down. You know if you leave your marriage now, they will mock me in church. They will laugh at me. My women group will laugh at me. My church members will laugh at me. You know my position in the church. Eh? Calm down. Let's go inside. Calm down. Huh? Calm down. No. Just be patient. Be patient. Be patient, okay?
My wife. And I love my wife. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Oh, God.
The God give it, the God take it. The God give it, and the God take it. Please.
It was supposed to be just a small fall. Small fall.
Can't I talk to you? Eh? Can't I talk to you? I say you should. Calm down. Just take it easy. What can we do?
What I did, was it wrong? wrong? I didn't want my daughter to leave her matrimonial home. I just wanted her to remain in marriage. Is it a bad thing?